Imagine you are a jeweler. You are shipping out gold worth lakhs. You move a decimal point just one place to the left by mistake. Congratulations, you just lost 90% of your profit. So before we start, look at these three items. Do you think their total weight will be more or less than 35 grams? Drop your answer in the comments.
Hey thinkers, welcome back to Think Sharp Alley, where every turn leads to a smart solution.
So the goldsmith has the following items. Item 1, which is a gold chain weighing 18 gram 5 milligram. Item 2 is a ring weighing 6 gram 75 milligram. And item 3 is a pendant weighing 10 gram and 500 milligram. Can you write each of these numbers in gram? Suppose 18 gram 5 milligram is...
Oh, I know. It's 18.5 gram.
No. So let's understand. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, remember? So to convert 18 gram 5 milligram into gram, we keep 18 gram as it is. Now coming to 5 mg part. Since we want to convert it into gram, we have to divide 5 by 1000. So we get 18 whole 5 by 1000 gram. Now because 1000 has 3 zeros, the decimal point must shift 3 places to the left. But wait, in 5 we do not have 3 digits. That's completely fine. We can place zeros before 5 without changing its value. So 5 becomes 005. Now we can place the decimal before these 3 digits. That gives us 18.005 gram. Now similarly, weight of the ring is 6 gram 75 mg. To change mg into gram, we have to divide by 1000. So we get 6 whole 75 by 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So we must place the point before 3 digits. But we have only 2 digits in the numerator. That's completely fine. We will place 1 0 before 75 and now put the point. So we have 6.075 gram. Now item 3 weighs 10 gram 500 mg. To convert this into gram,
Wait, I know how to do this one. We will divide 500 by 1000 so that I get 10 whole 500 by 1000 and then put point before 3 digits. So we will get 10.500.
absolutely true. But in decimals, we can omit the zeros at the end. So we can write this as just 10.5 gram. So unit conversion is done. Let's use these numbers and move towards the actual question. Question number part A. Calculate the total weight of the 3 items in gram, which means we just need to add these values. So when you're adding this, remember decimal point should be in one line. Since all the numbers have 3 decimal places, I will also write 10.5 as 10.500. Adding 2 zeros at the end will make it 3 decimal place number. So let's write all the numbers down. And adding them, we get 34.580 gram. So which means the total weight of the 3 items in grams is 34.58. See how we have omitted the 0 at the end? Moving on to the second part of this question. The jeweler decides to melt item 3, which means the pendant, and cast it into tiny gold pins. Each pin must weigh exactly 0.125 gram. How many pins can he make? Okay, in order to do this sum, you can imagine like you have a 10 centimeter chocolate bar and you want 2 centimeter pieces. So you will have to cut the chocolate bar to get those 2 centimeter pieces. And how many such pieces you will get? So you need to do 10 divide 2, that is 5 pieces, right? So over here also same thing. The total weight of the pendant is 10.5 gram and I need to melt the gold. Now melting gold is just like breaking a large mass into smaller pieces. That is division. And you know the weight of each pin. So number of pins is equal to total weight of item 3 divided by weight of each pin, and total weight is 10.5 gram divided by 0.125 gram. Now how do we divide over here? First, we need to remove the point from the divisor, that means the denominator. So point shifts 3 places to the right, and similarly the point on the numerator also shifts 3 places to the right, so we need to add zeros, and the numerator becomes 10,500 divide 125, and that gives me 84. Next we are moving to part C. If the gold is priced at rupees 7,200.50 per gram, what is the difference in value? That means cost. I have to find out difference in cost between the gold chain and gold ring. So chain is item 1 and ring is item 2. So to calculate the difference in value, we don't calculate the value of chain and value of ring then subtract. We don't work harder, we work smarter. So we will find out first the difference in the weight of chain and ring, that is item 1 and item 2. So difference in weight is 18.005 gram minus 6.075 gram. So when we are subtracting, make sure the point is along the same line, and we subtract, so we get 11.930 gram. That is the difference in weight. So the difference in value is, we just need to multiply the original value 7200.50. Now remember, how do we perform multiplication? We forget about the point first. So we multiply 720050 into 11.930. When you get the product, you just place the decimal before 5 digits, because 2 from here and 3 from here. So we get rupees 85901.96500 was there. So I have omitted the 2 zeros at the end. So we are left with this. Obviously in real world, the jeweler will round up this amount to rupees 85902. So one decimal error in part A would have changed our final answer by thousands of rupees. Which part was the trickiest for you? The conversion or the division? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to Think Sharp Ali to stay sharp.